The first question is, who voted for the first time in the elections for the National Assembly of Kuwait in 2006? The correct answer is D, women. Question 2. Which Asian country exploded a nuclear bomb underground in 2013? The correct answer is D, North Korea. Question 3. The U.S. literally engineered not only this country's canal, but the country itself. What is it? The correct answer is C, Panama. Question 4. Which country unified its east and west sides in 1990? The correct answer is Germany. Question 5. Why are police officers called bobbies in Great Britain? The correct answer is B, named for Sir Robert Peel, organizer of the London Police. Question 6. Who was known an astute political campaigner? The correct answer is B, Mahatma Gandhi. Question 7. In which year did the Empire State Building open in New York? The correct answer is B, 1931. Question 8. Who was the sixth president of America? The correct answer is B, John Quincy Adams. Question 9. Meaning truth and firmness in Sanskrit, Satyagraha was a civil disobedience movement employed by whom? The correct answer is A, Mahatma Gandhi. And the last question is, who was Osama bin Laden's father? The correct answer is D. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.